Okay.
So what are we cooking today?
We are doing fish fingers, a cordon bleu,
And how are we going to make that?
with a tomato sauce and pommy fries.
Okay, so how are we going to start it off?
We're going to put the cooker on, and it is on 200 degrees.
Okay, any sort of cooker for that?
Any cooker will do. Gas, electric, or barbecue, or sticks in the back garden.
Right, so then what are we going to be preparing next?
Well, while the chips are cooking, I am going to get the bread and the butter out. And then I will prepare the bread. And you butter it on one side only, and with a little bit of butter. And if you would like, you could have a few peas on the side, or some green vegetable, green peas probably. Yes, that would be very nice.
So that's all?
That is all.
Okay.
Bye.